Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have come back with my new unboxing video. This video is for those who are just beginners or those who have low budget. And they are searching for cheap and durable tripod. So this video is for them. This I have bought from Amazon. This is a mini tripod and with a phone mount. So let's open it and check it. So guys, this mini tripod is from Chinese brand Yunteng. Its model number is written over here, YT228, and nothing much mentioned on it. So here's the specification here. So on this side the specifications are there. It says its length is 21 centimeter, and when you place it, it will be 18.5, and this is 25 mm wide, and its weight is 0.188 kg. So this is brown color bag, and let's open it. So phone mount is there. It is making noise, and this plastic is not of good quality. Normal phone mount is there. So this one is also packed, guys. Let me pull it out. This is black color tripod. It's of hard plastic. So guys, as you can see, there are 3 modes written over here. Which is visible or not. So the first level is when you push it here, it moves easily, and you can position your camera. And on second level, still it can move, and you can again position it. But once you are done with it, for its sturdiness, you have to pull it harder so that it will not move. So as you can see, now it's not moving at all. And if you can see, this is silver colored ball, but it's not made up of metal. It's just silver color, and it's plastic. Let me open this, guys. As you can see, this screw is also made up of plastic. So guys, it cannot hold your DSLR. It can hold only mobile phones. And let me show you and open this. Now according to the package, its height now is 18.5 centimeter, and four fingers are easily going, so you can imagine its height. And now let me place this phone mount on it. Guys, this is my phone Grand 2. It's 5-inch screen, and let me try to put it in this holder. So guys, I have done with my placing. I have put my phone Grand 2 phone on this phone mount. So I'll show you how to adjust its angle. By pushing it like this, it can move easily to all levels. Like this. So once you are done with your positioning, just release it and it will get stabilized, but not much. You can still move it. I am able to move on the second level also. So for it, I have to push it little harder so that it gets stabilized. See, now it's not moving at all. I am pushing hard. So let me try to place it. So this is the minimum length. As you can see, my four fingers are easily going down. And so actually this one is quite sturdy. You can place your cameras with webcams on it, but not suitable for heavy DSLR. And let me try to increase its height. So now, as you can see, it's holding it. And in some videos I have seen that people are saying its legs are loose and it cannot be hydrated that much, but I think it's the improved version of this tripod. It is quite sturdy, and they have given this rubber grip. Due to it, it's not slipping out. Different level, different height, you can adjust. And its legs are good. It costed me 213 from Amazon.in. If you want to buy it, you can check the description box below, and that's it. So I'll recommend this for beginners. So guys, if you like my video, do subscribe my channel and give thumbs up to my video. So bye bye for now.